Hello friends, today we will discuss about the practical session of microcontroller and application. And in this practical session we will start with how to use Kill software the practical purpose. So first open the Kill software. The next, to create the project, now go to the project tab. So this is your fourth tab is project tab. Click on the new vision project. A new create new project window will show. Save the project in the folder and give the project name. Click save. This is your type of which type of code you have write. So file name is execute. So next, a new window for select device for target 1 will appear. Select SST89X516RD2. It is a microcontroller. Set your device. So next, if your project has C code file, then click yes. Suppose your code writing is .c, so this window will open. Then click yes is means your code is C. Let's suppose you click no, the code select is assembly language. So now the project is created and you can start to add your code. Next, adding a new file. Go to the new tab. A new file will be created in the editor window. Save this file in the same folder with the extension filename.asm. Suppose your our code is assembly language, to file name save is the filename.asm. Then our code is C language, so save the file name .c. So now to add this file to project, right click on source group 1, add file to source group 1. So right click the source group 1 and click the add files of group source 1. Make sure that if you want to add a ASM file, then select ASM source file.asm from the file of type drop down menu. So select the file and click add the button, add a file to the project. Now you can start the writing your source code into the file. So click your ASM file and click the LED ASM. So add. Building the project and creating the hex file. So certain settings are to be made to the project in order to simulate the code correctly and also to generate the hex file, which will be downloaded into the microcontroller flash memory. So click the target. Now click on the icon option for target at the left side of the target 1. The option for target 1 window will be open. In the target tab in crystal, change the value of 11.0592. This is our microcontroller crystal megahertz frequency is 40. So type the 40. In the output tab, select the create hex file option, then click OK. So click OK. Now you can complete your code and save it. To complete build the code, go to the project build target. So your code is completed, successfully completed. So go to the project tab and click the build target. If there are no errors, so show this window will show in 0 errors and 0 warning. So your code is successfully executed. So create a hex file. Then next, using the SST flash flex utility. So the SST flash flex utility tool is used to program in the hex file into the flash memory of the SST microcontroller. So after the hex file is successfully created, right click on the SST flash flex icon and run the utility in admin mode. Admin mode is necessary for the utility to access the serial port of the computer. So connect the microcontroller board to the computer using the USB cable. So power on the board using the 12-volt adapter. Finding the COM port number, right click on the my computer, manage the computer manage window will be open. See your go to the device manager and see your connectivity of USB. So programming the hex file using SST flash flex. When you run the SST flash flex utility, it will be open. Then go to the option and now keep the reset switch on the board. So select your COM port, then click the OK. Now press OK button. You realize a reset switch. The IAP status must show detect direct MCU. You are successful. Suppose you will reset your board. So this device information are detected to flash size, remap, FuVision and MEM mode. Now click the downloaded button in the IAP. So they have browsed to your hex file location and OK. So the next window will be open. The corresponding sector will be erased. Proceed to download. Click yes. If the download is successful, it will be show a done report. So now press the reset switch to run the program, and now you execute your program. So changing the some settings of COM port. Suppose your COM port is not SST flash flex utility can recognize only COM1 to COM6. Sometimes the computer assign the number of greater than 6. Hence we need to change this number so that we can use the SST flash flex. To change the COM port number, right click the computer, go to the properties and go to the advanced setting. Now in the next window, go to the COM port number and change it. Click OK. Thank you.